Hey guys, it's Natalie with Risen Legacy. Today I am going to show you how to clean off the threads and the neck of your bottle if you have gotten some of the base coat or top coat on the outside and it starts getting crusty. You can clean that up so that you don't get the crystallized stuff in and contaminate your bottle. Simply take out your lid, set it down, grab some of our acetone. I prefer like a paper towel or a lint-free cloth. You can use a cotton ball. It just sometimes leaves excess like fuzz and stuff after it. So just grab some acetone, put some acetone on. I'm sorry, I have glitter on my face. Put some acetone on your paper towel. Take it and just wrap it around the neck of the bottle and just turn the bottle. And you may have to do it 3 or 4 times until you get all the gunk off the outside. Once you do get all of that off, I advise you to put either our cuticle oil around the threads, and or if you don't have that, grab some Vaseline and just put it on the outside. You'll take your cuticle oil, take the brush. Once it's all cleaned off, put some cuticle oil around the threads, and then put your brush back in and tighten it and open it just a couple times just to make sure it's a smooth transition. You put the cuticle oil and the Vaseline on it so that if you get the base coat or the air dry top coat on the side of it, it's not going to glue shut. So I hope this helps and you can lengthen the period of your base and top coat. Have a good one.